Bonjour, I am Jacques Torres and welcome to Tuesday Tip. Earlier I make one of those tart or pie shell that you don't need to roll. You just put it on a mold, you spread it and you bake it like that. It's a mixture between a cake and a shortbread. So now what I can do is put a little cream, so I make a pastry cream next to me here, a little cream on the bottom, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how you can cut oranges to make one of those beautiful tarts with orange. So what I do, I cut top and bottom of the orange. Then I'm going to, using my knife, remove the skin all around. And using my knife, I'm going to cut in between the skin. So that means when I have a piece of orange, that piece of orange doesn't have any skin on it. So you can imagine it's a lot more pleasant when you eat it. So I'm going to do 2 or 3 oranges like that, and then I'm going to assemble my tart. Okay, now that I have my tart shell, I have a little bit of pastry cream, so I'm just going to put, not too much, a little bit of pastry cream on the bottom here. Then I'm going to spread it with an offset spatula. Okay, done. Then what I want to do, I take my orange segments, and then I'm going to arrange them all around. Just like that on the center. And just to make the shell come out a little bit more, we're going to put some powdered sugar just around it, just like that. Voila! Tart dough that you don't have to roll. The juice of the orange and the cream going to make the bottom of the tart or the shell of the tart a little bit more moist. Bon appétit, I hope that helped.